For the first time ever, I'll be eating a tarantula. If you don't already know, I'm on the hunt for a bug that I'll actually enjoy eating. Today I'm trying the tarantula from Eco Eats. It's actually a Thai zebra tarantula. I'm imagining a zebra/tarantula hybrid. I don't know how that would work. Kind of like Spider-Man, I guess. Only zebra. This was actually a viewer-requested video, and I have to say, it was extremely expensive to get this. It better be good. I can't imagine how it will be, but we're gonna find out. The packaging is good. I like these simple designs sometimes. It says here, allergy advice, crustaceous. Not sure what that's supposed to mean. Should I be worried? I cannot tell. Open it up! Yeah. Oh. Not too bad opening it up, actually. It's pretty easy. Pull open the bag. There it is. Oh, the smell. Look at it in there. It looks like it's just nestling in there, having just died. Oh, it looks awful! Oh, this is gonna be hard. I didn't realize this was gonna be so hard. Pull it out. Hello there, my little friend. Well, nothing to do but give the first bite. It looks like it's alive in there. This is gonna be a hard one. The smell is very strong. A smell that I'm used to with insects. It's musky. Try not to break any of the legs. Let's just be very gentle here as we pull the tarantula out. Oh. Look at it coming out. Okay, I'm just very... Oh! There it is. Alright. I will just go ahead and take a bite out of this. $35 here. Down the hatch. Oh, so musky. This might be the worst. This might be the worst one I've tried. Hands down. It's... Oh, that is bad. That's a bad one. It does taste like dirt, very chewy. It's a taste I'm used to. A shelly taste. A very shelly taste. That's a one for the record books. Oh. The thing about this one is it's so strong with its taste. It has a similar taste to other bugs, but it's like magnified 10 times. Scientists say that human beings eat at least one spider every month in their sleep because the spider comes and crawls down into their mouth. And I always wondered, who was the researcher who did that study? Who just sat by people's bed and documented whether or not they ate a spider? Just always imagined him just sitting there, staring at the person asleep. Must have been an awkward job. Ugh. The look, too, with this one is bad. I think this one has beaten the larva. Let me take another taste. Oh, that is terrible. It's so strong. Yes, this beat larva. I didn't even think that was possible. This beat larva. It is terrible. Terrible. Oh. Ugh. Blah. Blah. We have not found out whether or not there is any good bugs to eat. This is not one of them. This is not a good bug to eat. Was there any added ingredient? There was just salt. Just salt. I mean, that cannot possibly contribute to this thing's bad taste. Now, all we're left with is the spider's butt. The butt was the worst part. That is dirt. Dirty butt. How could it get worse? It got worse with the butt. I should have saw that coming. Yep, we did not find a bug that was worth eating. Weirdly enough, I do think this was worth the money because it was so terrible. It was such an experience. You have to try it for yourself. I would recommend this. Tarantula, I would recommend because you're never going to have anything like it.
Don't play with my style, I might sting ya. You want me in check me bacteria. Make your body going stiff and your spine going numb. Now come get some.
Wait, this isn't one of those venomous spiders, is it? Oh, drat.